Minecraft servers. It's something that makes Minecraft 1,000 times more fun.
I'm gonna punch my monitor!
Well, if you know any about Minecraft, these servers uses tons of add-ons, like here's me demonstrating this mini game selection UI, and it doesn't even look the same. I need to write hundreds of lines of code to make it look any close to it. This got me thinking, how about I make a server with just command block? First objective would be making the lobby. Spawn is done, it still looks very empty. Perfection. Now I need to make the minigame selection screen, which I will make through NPC. Some of you might not know this, but it's a vanilla Minecraft entity. And we have Skywars, Parrot Wars, and Death Run. Now I don't want players to assault each other in the lobby. Hence I will add this simple command to give everyone resistance. And now the problem breaks in. I need to create maps for each of this game mode. All the maps are done. Now this is where the video gets nerdy. I need to make the whole map functional with just command blocks. Now throughout this part one would be using the tag command a lot, so it's important to understand it. Let's say we have this guy. If I tag this guy with the word weirdo, I can get that entity with this tag by using a simple query. Now why don't I just use their username? Because I can tag multiple entities the same word and I can get all of them by the same query I showed you. Now though we understand the basics of tag command, let's get into the work. The plan is simple. Anyone in the lobby will have the tag lobby, and when the player selects any game mode, let's say Skywars, the tag would be removed and new tag named Skywars would be added. If there's already 2 players in the map, it would say Skywars lobby is full. Now starting off, how are we going to give players the lobby tag? In Minecraft commands, we can get any entity by some built-in target selector, for example, at the rate E, at the rate S, and there's many more. Now in these target selector, we can set conditions. For example, I can do at the rate E, type is equal to cow. This will get all the cows in the loaded chunks. And one of these conditions is radius. If I do tag at the rate A, radius is equal to 100 add lobby. This will give all the players in the lobby, or in this case, 100 blocks, the lobby tag. Now we need to make the teleportation part, starting with Skywars. In NPC's advanced settings, we can write some commands to be executed when the player clicks a button. When using NPCs, there's a special target selector at the rate initiator. This selects the entity that clicked the button. To add the Skywars tag, I can use this command, and then to remove the lobby tag, I can use this command. Now, if I click this button and use this command to see what tags I have. Oh look, I still have the lobby tag. What went wrong? As soon as my lobby tag gets removed, that command gives me the tag back because it runs every single tick. To overcome this issue, I can do this. If the player doesn't have the Skywars tag, only then add the lobby tag. And yes, you guessed it right, exclamation mark is a not indicator in Minecraft commands. Now, coming back to the teleportation part, I need to check how many players are there in the Skywars map, which is not very easy because there's no direct way. My plan is that first we will teleport the player to the map, then if there's already 2 players, we will teleport the player back. If there's 0 player, it will give us the player 1 tag and teleport us to this island. And if there's already 1 player in the map, it will give us the player 2 tag and teleport us to this island. Putting the theory into work, and I figured out this, I am not going to explain this because that would make the video really long, but it works really well. Anyone who clicks this button would be teleported here, then they would be teleported to any of the islands here. So if I spawn an armor stand here, see? It got teleported to this island. If I spawn another armor stand, it got teleported to the opposite island. And if I jump in here now, it will teleport me back to the lobby. Now for the hardest part, I need to make the PvP system. My plan is that whenever the match is going on, we would spawn a redstone block here that will power more command blocks and maybe something like that. It will take me a few hours to design. And with that, Skywars is done. Whenever the match is going on, it spawns a redstone block here, indicating that there is an ongoing match. Now you may ask, why do I need to do this and complex things for nothing? Well, it serves its purpose. Think about it, recall what we planned earlier. If there's 1 player on the map, we would teleport them to this island. But hey, if there's only 1 player on the map, that also means that that player defeated the other player to claim victory. Hence I spawn this redstone block to check if that player is waiting another player or that player won. If I spawn an armor stand here and then I go in here, it starts this match with countdown. Now, if I just fly and kill this guy, it says you won. There's another feature, if I destroy all this and start a match, it gets healed automatically. Now though Skywars is done, we will do Death Run. To be honest, Death Run commands are same as a Skywars, so I will do some quick copy pastes. And with that, Death Run is complete too. If I spawn a pig here, and then I jump in here, it teleports me here. I need to complete this parkour, and when I click this button, I win. Now for the hardest game mode, Parrot Wars, it's like Bed Wars, but we have parrots instead of beds. It's again exactly like Skywars, I just need to respawn the player if their parrot is still alive. And in Bed Wars, there's this ore spawner thing, which I need to code too. But that's something for another video. In the next part, we would also add more games like Block Party, Capture the Flag, and more. Oh, what's that? Yes, if you enjoyed the video, please join my Discord and consider subscribing. Thank you.